In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on Alibaba. If you've just landed on the site and things aren't in your preferred language, don't worry. This quick walkthrough will get everything set the way you like it. First, open your web browser and search for Alibaba. In the results, click the official Alibaba website to go straight to the homepage. Once you're there, sign into your account. Logging in ensures that your language preference is saved to your profile, so it sticks the next time you visit. At the top of the page, look for the small menu that shows your current language and currency. It may display something like English PHP. Click that area to open the settings panel. Inside this panel, find the section labeled Language. This is where you control how all the menus, product details, and prompts are displayed across the site. Next, click the down arrow beside language to expand the full list of available languages. A dropdown will appear with many choices. Scroll through the list and select the language you want to use. You'll usually see each option written in its native form, which helps you confirm you're picking the right one. After selecting your language, look for the Save button in that same panel and click it. The page may refresh for a moment. When it loads, you should see the interface switch to the language you chose, including the navigation bar, search suggestions, and product pages. From now on, Alibaba will remember this preference on the same browser. If you use multiple browsers or devices, repeat these steps once on each. If the panel closes without saving, reopen it, reselect the language, and click Save again. A quick hard refresh can also help apply the update. If you don't see the change right away, try refreshing the page or signing out and back in. Also, make sure your browser isn't auto-translating the site, as that can override what you're seeing. If the language menu looks a little different, it's usually still at the top of the homepage, often near the country or currency settings. You can reopen it anytime to switch back or try a different language. That's all you need. You search for Alibaba, open the official site, logged in, used the language and currency menu at the top, expanded the language list, chose your preference, and saved. With your language updated, you can navigate more confidently, compare suppliers more easily, and communicate clearly with sellers. Thanks for watching, and enjoy browsing Alibaba in the language that works best for you.